Hi kids, today we're going to be talking about your amazing brain. The brain is an incredible organ. It controls every thought, action, and feeling we have. It is roughly the size of two adult fists put together. It is made of several parts that allow it to work in the wonderful ways that it does that help us survive every day. The left and right hemispheres of your brain make up half of your cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is divided into four major sections: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe. The frontal lobe controls speaking, future thought, and planning. The occipital lobe allows you to see things. The parietal lobe allows you to feel pressure, pain, temperature, and touch. Finally, the temporal lobe allows you to hear. As I mentioned earlier, all of these lobes are part of the cerebral cortex, which is the outermost layer of your brain like the peel on a banana. It has the highest processing abilities of anything we know in the whole world, which means it is smarter than a computer. One part of the cerebral cortex is the left hemisphere, which helps you understand language, logic, and tasks that involve sequences, such as number patterns. The other hemisphere of your brain is the right hemisphere, which allows you to recognize the faces of your friends and family and helps you to be creative. The corpus callosum connects the two hemispheres together. Your brain is also responsible for storing your short-term memories and taking them to long-term memory, which is the job of the hippocampus. You won't be able to know if you're hungry or thirsty if it weren't for your hypothalamus. Different from the hypothalamus, your thalamus identifies sound, touch, and taste. For example, if you heard a meow, your thalamus would identify it as coming from a cat. The brainstem, which is similar to the stick on a lollipop, connects your brain to your spinal cord. Finally, inside of your brain, there are folds called convolutions. It might be hard to fully understand how your brain works, but remember that this pink, spongy organ is working every second of every day to keep you alive and healthy.